Africa faces many security issues, and prominent among them are physical security breaches such as infiltration, cross-border activities, drug vehicle and human trafficking, sabotage of critical public infrastructure like Eskom, Transnet and telecommunication providers, poaching activities in game reserves, and many more. Sabre Products introduces the fiber-optic perimeter intrusion detection system. This state-of-the-art Sabre fiber-optic technology-based solution detects the real-world security threats. The Sabre FOPIDS technology is a zone-based system where a perimeter length is divided into smaller sections and each section is known as a zone. The length of zone can vary dynamically from a few meters to many kilometers long. The Sabre FOPIDS network uses single-mode optical fiber cable which is completely passive in the field as it does not require any power or electrical supply for its operation. FOPIDS receives sense vibration signals from the zones instantaneously, and an interrogator generates an alarm immediately without any delay, making it a real-time system. Sabre FOPIDS can be integrated with third-party peripherals such as CCTV thermal cameras, monitors, drones, SMS modules, alarm integration, floodlights and many more, creating a complete integrated surveillance network. Proprietary single-mode optical fiber cable is used as a sensor, as well as the lead cable in the FOPIDS network, making it immune to EMI and RF interference, and also it is not affected by lightning. This results in a stable performance of the entire solution. Sabre optical fiber sensor cables can be deployed in several configurations such as in different types of fencing, on walls and also in underground applications. This can be installed either separately or combined, according to the criticality of the site to be protected. This is ideal for Eskom power station protection and Transnet railway systems. Fence deployment. Wall deployment. On top of the wall. On the wall. Or even inside the wall. Underground deployment. This will keep the optical fiber sensor cable hidden from the eyes of intruders, making it invisible to the potential intruder on occurrence of an intrusion. At the perimeter, a real-time alert will be generated at the control room, in the form of alarm signals such as buzzers, LED and zone map indicators. Different types of intrusion activities using either or both above and underground deployments can be detected by FOPIDS. Climbing fences. Cutting fences. Putting ladders against walls. Drilling walls. Walking or running on the ground. Digging manually or with machines. The Sabre fiber optic perimeter intrusion detection system is classified into two variants. 1. Safe fence. And 2. Safe max. Safe fence hardware supports 2 zones. Its standalone unit embedded with a touchscreen for software monitoring is suitable for monitoring smaller perimeter lengths. Safe Max is a bigger hardware unit which has a larger capacity which covers a larger perimeter length. It is a 19-inch 4U rack-mountable, scalable modular unit. One unit of Safe Max can handle 16 zones in a fully loaded configuration. Multiple Safe Max devices can be cascaded together, thereby increasing the length of fence under observation. The interrogators say that Safe Fence and Safe Max are connected to a dynamic user interface FOPIDS management software program through which the zones are monitored in real time. FOPIDS Manager gives the facility to draw zone lines and include map images as a background display of intrusion alarms with color change of zone lines. FOPIDS Manager displays the intrusion details together with date, time and zone of an event and much more information during the intrusion occurrence in the log. FOPIDS Manager has the capacity to add multiple projects and devices, whilst at the same time the Sabre fiber optic perimeter intrusion detection system detects and alerts all kinds of intrusion activities happening in and around the perimeter, thus protecting critical structures from threats and sabotage activities. Sabre FOPIDS detection system is a perfect solution for all areas of South Africa and the SADC region, consisting of 15 countries for which Sabre Products has sole distribution rights. FOPIDS can also be integrated with camera surveillance, alarm systems, drones and other products through either TCP/IP or via the dry contacts provided within the FOPIDS hardware device. A proprietary single-mode optical fiber cable is used as a sensing fiber and lead cable in the field deployment of FOPIDS, which are only available from Sabre, along with passive field components in IP65 rated enclosures, assuring water and dust protection in all kinds of terrain and environments. FOPIDS can play major roles in critical infrastructure security and monitoring in several sectors like larger and critical perimeter applications such as Eskom coal power stations, electricity substations, sewage and water infrastructure, border controls, and home affairs entry and exit points with SADC countries, prisons and airport perimeters, Koeberg nuclear power plant, Transnet oil and gas cross-country pipelines, cross-country telecom infrastructure, plus smaller perimeters such as government national key points, armament depots, defense establishments, VIP residences, embassies, government and municipal buildings, farmhouses, bungalows or isolated buildings, religious places of worship and churches, solar panel and wind farms, public schools, 24,000, bank lockers and strong rooms, plus research facilities and laboratories, and unmanned cell phone towers, unmanned electrical substations, and wind turbine and solar farms.